National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belmont to Lena, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for eastern Iowa, southwestern Dane, and northeast Greene counties. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Verona, Mount Horeb, Dodgeville, Brodhead, Mineral Point, Belleville, New Glarus, Mizumini, Brooklyn, Black Earth, Monticello, Albany, Barneville, Blue Mounds, Arena, Dayton, Ridgeway, Linden, Waldwick, and Cobb. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church, Hydes Mill, and the House on the Rock. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A severe